present Mr. Joseph Sell, the Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the United States of America to the Republic of Fiji.
Thank you.
Your Excellency, I have the honor of presenting the letters of credence from His Excellency the United States, President of the United States of America, addressed to Your Excellency, credit as a United States of America. I also have the honor of presenting the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Excellency, Mr. Ambassador, I'm so very pleased to receive the credentials. I welcome you most warmly and sincerely to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a very happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency the President, the Government of the people of the United States of America, our warmest wishes for the continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Ambassador, Mulvanaka. Your name, right, something about it back there.
World's most beautiful.
There we go, sir. Mulvanaka.
Now you point, so we are roughly here.
Oh, then, okay.
And then for those in the Upper
Peninsula.
Peninsula, you go something like
Oh,
this
my
to, yeah.
Thank you very much, sir.